In today's video, I will guide you through on how to add connected lines in Adobe Acrobat. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Also, little disclaimer, I would like to inform you guys that you might not be able to see the toolbar, but I don't think you have to worry at all because I will be guiding you through each and every step. So yeah. First thing is, I hope you can find the toolbar in Adobe Acrobat because that's your first step. Go find the toolbar. It will not be that much of a hassle because it's pretty easy. Toolbar is the first thing you will be seeing. Is something you cannot see in this video. I will just guide you through, so that's no problem. So go to the toolbar first thing. So go for the fourth icon. Even though just to make sure that you have clicked into the correct icon. Usually if you tap to that icon, you will be able to see all these different shapes like rectangle, arrow, line, circle, and stuff like that. So since we're going to add connected lines, go look for the connected lines. Usually it's at the second last, usually at the bottom. So tap into connected lines, and now let's add the connected lines. What this will do is it will create continuous line, and so that you'll be able to create any shape of your choice. Like I just made this, and I can even make I even go further and create something like art, made it. Okay, it's given abstract art, so you get the idea like how to add connected lines. It's just connected with each other like this. I think I'm just gonna make it some geometrical. I think it's coming together. It's looking like I'm creating actually something. This is looking cool. It's just okay. I am just getting distracted. So I think this is basically how you can add connected lines. I'm just giving an example. You can just use it in any of your project and stuff like that. You can also change the thickness like this and change the color. Going to the toolbar and going to the bottom, you can see the line thickness, and you can also tap into the color. Let's change it more like yellow, and okay, as you can see, it's more like, you can also make something like this from the connector. You can be creative and make things like that. So this is basically how you add connected lines in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.